Hello, today we repeat the rules about the letter Ch. Remember, the letter Ch has a hard sound when it's followed by vowels A, O, U, and Akka. For example, Ka, Ko, Ku, Ki, Ke. And the letter Chi has a soft sound when it's followed by vowels E and E. Look at examples. Che, Chi, Cha, Cho, Chu. Let's do some exercises. Look at these pictures. We have orange, scissors, chocolate, pacifier, mask, rainbow, heart, belt, key, and basket. We need to put them in the right column. Here or here. So, orange in Italiano, we say arancia. Arancia. Orange. So, we put it in the left column. The next word is scissors. In Italiano, we say forbici. Forbici has a soft sound ch. So, once again, we put this word in the left column. The next word is a chocolate. In Italian, we say cioccolato, and we put it once again in the left column. The next word is pacifier. In Italian, it's called ciuccio. So now we write ciuccio. We have a soft sound ch. Next word is a mask. In Italian we say maschera. Can you hear the hard sound k? Maschera, maschera. So we put this word in the right column. Maschera. In this case, we see C, H, E together. This combination of letters. A hard sound, K, maschera. Next word is rainbow. In Italian, we say arcobaleno. So you hear the hard sound k, arco. We put it in the right column. Arcobaleno. This word is a heart. So in Italian we say cuore, k, cuore, a hard sound k. So I'll write it down in the right column. Cuore, a heart. The next word is a belt. A belt. In Italian we say barca. So this word has a hard sound k, barca. We write it here. Barca. Okay. barca, K. The keys, in Italian we say chiave. And once again, the hard sound K. So we write it in the right column. Chiavi, chiavi, plural, chiavi. And the last word is a basket. In Italian, we say cestino, c, a soft sound c. So we write it here. Cestino. So was it clear what we did? So now, have you seen the difference between the soft sound ch in this column and the hard sound k in the right column? Okay. Now I want to show you how we can transform the word if we add the letter H. Ricci we can transform in the word ricchi. We add one letter H and we have another word. Look how this action will change the meaning of the words. Ricci, it means curly hair, but ricchi, it means rich person. The next word is pance. Pance is a plural of pancia. Pancia, it means belly, stomach. So pance means bellies. But if we want to change by adding the letter H, we have panche. That means bench, benches in the park where you can sit, for example. In this column, we have to remove the letter H. It's opposite action. So we have the word rocche and we transform it in rocce. Rocce. Bachi we transform in baci. Baco è silkworm. Bachi it's a plural, silkworms. And baci it means kisses. So despite the fact that the letter H is not pronounced, but it changes the meanings of the words. So be careful. For today our lesson is over. See you next time. Bye bye.